Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sam Ziggy FX, and on today's video we'll be diving into why most traders lose money and how to avoid it using a 2025 trading mindset. Yes, if you know you are new to this channel, please do it to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment your thoughts below in the comment section. And if you haven't watched our other video, please do it to watch, because everything we're saying here is pretty plain out, guys. Now, and then to our subscriber, those that have subscribed, I say kudos to you guys. And then make sure you stay tuned, because more market updates and then trading ideas and how to navigate the trading market, all this idea, all this tutorial will be delivered soon and will be sent here, and you don't want to miss out on this. Now, this video today, I don't want it to be very long, so that it will be very short for you guys to consume, and I have highlighted everything very simple on two slides here, as you guys can see, right? And then these are mistakes that most traders, 99% of traders out there make. Even me that I'm talking to you right now make the same mistake, and I don't want you guys to fall into the trap. Right now, let's dive in. The common mistake traders make, the one is what is over trading. As you guys can see, taking too many trades in one day just because the market is moving. Remember, trading is about quality, not quantity. Here many traders are trapped here. They think over, like they think trading too much will guarantee them making millions or billions of naira in the market. No, it is not by the numbers of trade, but how quality this trade really is. So if you have been trading or you're a beginner, if you have backtesting using your demo account, you will discover that yes, the more trade you enter, you are what, you are liable to do what, to lose, right? So you just pick one two quality trade and then you dive in, and then I'll be making video on how to pick quality video soon. That is why you don't want to miss out on our updates, so make sure you stay tuned and then you are subscribed to the what, to the channel. The second thing we'll be talking about is lack of risk management. Risking 20 to 30% on a single trade will never help you last long. Professional traders focus on protecting their capital first, right? Now, most people they fall into this trap as well. They lack proper risk management. Some people, you see them risking about 50% of their account, 70%, and then even high like that. Yes, as a trader you're supposed to risk low, like 2%, 3%, maximum 10% of your account, right? Because you are a beginner and then you are just starting, so you shouldn't risk more higher. Once you risk more higher, you are liable to blow that account because you don't have this big knowledge on this trading, right? And you don't want to be trap there or to blow your account. If you follow everything that I'm listing here carefully, it will help your trading journey, right? Because I've made the same mistake and I don't want you to do the same, right? The third thing we'll be talking about is no trading plan. Newbies or forex traders, they jump into trades without a plan or strategy. But in forex, if you don't have a plan, the market will plan for you and you will lose. It is as simple as that. The more you plan your trade, the lesser you lose. You get the point now. So once you have a trading plan, days of trading, your trading plan may include the days you're about to take trade. You get the point now. And then how you set up your trade, the numbers of trade you want to enter in a day, like that, like that. Once you put all this thing into practice, you will discover that yes, your trade will beginning to look more matured, and then you will start seeing results, reasonable results. That is how it's been done. I don't want you to make this mistake, so make sure you have a trading plan. I'll be teaching you guys more on how to develop a good trading plan, so make sure you stay tuned and then stay subscribed to this video. Next thing we'll be venturing or we'll be talking about is revenge trading. Revenge trading, most traders are trapped here as well. After a loss, many traders try to win it back quickly. That is one of the fastest way to blow an account. Just imagine you have lose a trade immediately or after loss. Newbies or most traders, they tend to do what, they tend to recover back, and then they didn't know that yes, the more they trade, the more they lose, right? Because now after a loss, what you are trading now, you are not trading with your trading plan. Again, you are trading based on your emotions, and your emotion won't really help you here, right? So after a loss, you just keep cool and then you move on like that. But many traders, they try to go back, try to trade, over trade, and then making them to over what, to overlose. If you're a trader and you're watching this video really well, you will understand and you'll be able to relate what I am telling you, right? So the best thing to do is for you, after a loss, is just for you to take a break and then re-strategize. Look for reason why you took a loss on that trade, and then record it down and then improve it on your what, on your trading plan. That is just the best thing to do, not revenge trading. Now that is just the 4 key points, common mistake that traders make, and this is how to avoid it, that I've listened to you guys. Now this is a bonus for you guys that I want to give you guys real quick, how to fix it and build a winning mindset in 2025. Now the number one thing you want to do is to have a proven strategy, whether it is smart money concept, price action, or trend line strategy. Stick to one system. You have to stick to what? You have to stick to one system and master it. Yes, if you are using your price action trader, any strategy that you are using as well, make sure you stick to it, right? Anything at all you are doing that the market is, any strategy you are using on the market to fetch you money, make sure you stick to it. You don't jump from strategy to strategy. Any strategy you are using, just stick to one system and master it. Practice it until you become perfect in it. Make sure you like, subscribe this video right now so that we'll move further, right? Are you getting the point now? Now the next thing I want to share to you guys now is journal your trade, which is the point 2 here. Journal your trade. After every trade, write down why you took it and what you learned. Stay patient. The best trade take time to do what? To form. If not for my jota, for my trading journal, I won't be able to put out this thing for you guys now to see, right? Now your journal help you to track your record and then your movement in the market, which is very very necessary. So after every trade, write down why you took it and what you learned. Once you do this, I'm telling you, you will have a different approach to the market. Now even after a win, after a loss, most especially loss, most people, what they do after a loss, they revenge trading, which I've talked about. You don't revenge in trading, right? The best thing to do is to journal your trade. Put down the reason. That is one thing I love the market. After a loss, you will begin to see why this market move against you. That thing is for a lesson. Is for a lesson. You have to jot it down. Jot it down, right, guys? So once you do that, you will discover that what, you are building a winning mindset and then you are improving. The next thing we'll talk about is controlled emotions. Never trade based on greed or fear. Think long term. Your goal should be consistency, not a quick hit. Yes, once you have a good plan, you have control over your emotions. So never trade based on greed or fear, right? That is just that for now. In 2025, focus on mastering the art of trading, not chasing the money, because when you master the skill, the money will naturally flow. Note, trading success starts from the mindset, not the chart. So that is it, that guys, just make sure you follow all the process that I have listed here for you guys, and then you will see yourself improve in your trading journey, right? If you know you watch this video to this very end, I say kudos to you, and I really appreciate you guys for sticking to the very end of this video. If you know what you have said there means a lot and then you gain value, please react, or you have something to share or to talk about, or you another clue, idea, update you want me to talk about, you can as well drop it in the comment section. Yes, and if you know you haven't subscribed, please do it to subscribe. It's your boy Sam Ziggy FX, and I love you guys. See you next time on my next video. Thank you guys.